The fatty richness of the pork with the acidity of the salsas and the sauces and a little bit of spiciness is just a really satisfying sandwich. I'm Geoff Cox, executive chef at Cimera on top of the Source Hotel. At dinner time, we have pork belly skewers that we cook over charcoal, but we cut nice, neat little squares for those skewers. And so we have a lot of trim and excess pork belly left over. So the idea was, how can we utilize this for something really great at lunch? And hence the Pan Con Chicharrón. Another sandwich show. The classic Peruvian sandwich, first time I had it, was at �RLenaZubiat's pop-up at Dry Storage in Boulder. She's an amazing Peruvian chef. Went up there and tried the sandwich and was really blown away. And so when I was able to actually travel down to Lima, Peru, the first thing I did when I got off the plane is go straight to a 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢 stop. And they do different cuts of pork too. Sometimes it's like shredded braised pork butt or crispy pork belly, or they do the pork all different ways. Really excited to feature a Rocoto pepper, a Rocoto chili pepper in this sandwich. It's actually peppers that we get imported from Peru. They come to us frozen. Then we thaw them out and use that as a paste to make an aioli, so a mayonnaise-based sauce. And it gives a nice spicy kick to the sandwich. So the sandwich, actually, we take pork belly and we brine it overnight. And then the next day we steam it till it's cooked. And then we press it again overnight. So 3-day process. We cut slivers of that pork and deep fry it to order. Salsa criolla, which is marinated red onions with fresno, chile, and cilantro. And then some steamed sweet potatoes that we've sprinkled with some powdered sugar and then bruleed or torched. So it gives a little bit of that sweet and bitter in there. And then we mash it all together on the torta bread, and there you have it. All right, when ticket comes in, first we grab our torta roll, smear some mayonnaise on that, and put it on our flat top to get it nice, toasty, golden brown and delicious. Grab our slabs of pork belly, toss them in a basket, deep fried at 350 until it's golden brown and crispy on the edges. We take our slivered red onions, mix it with fresno chili and cilantro, and dress that with lime juice. And then grab our sweet potatoes and have them at the ready. Once the pork is done, we put a Rocoto Aioli on the bread, which is a mayonnaise with a Peruvian Rocoto pepper in it. And then we put the sweet potato down, the pork belly on top of that, salsa criolla, and then smash it all together. Here we go. Nice even distribution. I think people are really surprised when they eat it about the sweet potato really standing out. Delicious. You have all the textures there. So a crispy crunch on the bread, crispy crunch on the pork belly, but still the creaminess of the crumb and the fattiness of the pork belly kind of melts. And then the steamed sweet potato is tender and creamy. So texturally, you got everything there. And then flavor-wise, we have the spicy Rocoto chili. We have the unctuous, fatty umami of the pork belly. We've got the sweet and bitter of the bruleed sweet potato. And then the sharp acid of the lime juice dressed criolla. So really hitting all parts of the palate. It's really delicious. We're open every day for lunch, 7 days a week. And this is available. So come see us on top of the Source Hotel and try it for yourself. I'm really excited about it.